Hi guys, we are here at TLSUD. Nasa-CR ako ng Ayuntamiento because I'm going to check on some documents na kailangan ko i-check. So what I'm waiting for right now is kung magbubukas tong mga counter na to because I need to check on my check, literal. All the counters here on the first building are closed. So we're going dun sa other side. Morning po. Check lang po if na yearbook refund. Okay po. Yay!
Dito si Sir Masang.
Po. Yay! Oh my gosh. Guys, it worked. Meron. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting to get this today. But meron. Na-expect ko sabihin sa akin na processing pa lang. Kasi walang email update. Kasi alam nyo, in all my years of being a student here at DLSUD, my favorite moments talaga are when it's raining. Because sobrang ganda ng school pag umulan. Right now, we're on our way to another cafe that's near the school. It's called Cookies. I'm gonna show you guys later. But, oh my gosh. Okay, ngayon pa ako mahabang pantalon at Uggs talaga. This is my school. Ay, my school. This is my college. GFH. Di na ako nakapag-video because so many things happened. This is the cafe I was talking about earlier with my sister. This is what we ordered. This is their matcha latte. They didn't have oat milk today, but it's okay. Creme brulee latte. This is a Kinder Bueno cookie and I think bago lang to. I'm not sure, but it's the Dubai pistachio cookie pie. Let's eat. Itadaki March. You guys know what the best part about this cafe is? That it's surrounded by schools, diba? Meron silang saksakan, girl! Alam mo yung saksakan? Wag naman sana. It's time to eat. Itadakimasu. Thank you, Lord. Mm. Lakad ako, hindi ako nakakapag-vlog ng ayos. Na-overstimulate agad. But we're here at Walk It Out again with my sister. We are getting their chicken chops because it's the best. It's really good. I also didn't get to take a video, but we ordered this to go. The scoopable Reese's cookie, tapos pina-take out yung cookie and the pistachio pie. Chicken chops and chicken chops only. Diba? Wala siyang baon today kasi kasama ako. Libre siya. Yes! Hindi ka makakapasok agad-agad pag nakarotonda tayo. Pero pag tawag tayo from the gate, pag walang Grab, mag-jeep tayo. Dalawang car sabay, tatlong driver. Isa lang, pwede gumamit. Ang inat! Good afternoon po. Aircon. Thank you. Sophie, guess what? Where's the payong? Ayun natin. Okay na. Yung payong. Yung payong. Nino. Ni Kuya. Likod to kay Bernard. Okay lang eh. Yung payong na yun, kay Kuya Otep yun. Sorry, Kuya Otep. Bili na lang ako. Bibili ako siya ng payong. Bibili ko yung sarili ko ng payong. It's okay. Basta, okay, bukas. So, magkita kami, Bernard, Thursday pa sa office. So, may time. Dapat yung mabili ko, mag-arrive siya by tomorrow. Para mabigay ko agad. Oh, sorry, Kuya. Sorry, Bernard. Tayo nag-hike pataas.
Oh,
Sir,
thank you.
thank you po. Ingat po. Sobrang nice nung driver. Back in DLSUD. Malamig dito kanina. What happened? Ang class mo, Sister I, 1 o'clock. It's now 12:20. You still have 40 minutes. And ako ay tatambay. Ay nako, pangit nang punta ko sa Cafisal. 30 minutes. Nandun lahat ng tao, no? And then I'm gonna work. Kasi astang walang work ako today, may work ako today. I've been working on my phone. pandesal ng tatay namin. So, dito muna kami tambay while waiting. And may moist yung screen. Wala tayong magagawa. Ay, mag-podcast tayo. Wait lang. Naka-on ba yung mic mo? While we're waiting for our dad.
A magnet.
Hello! Alam mo yung pandesal na nakain ko na may amag? Yung kumakain ako ng bread talk. Tapos ang sarap. Sabi yung cheese, tapos mamaya bilang lasang radioactive siya. Kaya nga, that's
Hindi ko kasi na-expect may lalabas na ganun ka. Red
ganun
and
ka-fresh.
big.
Ganun ka-plump.
Hindi.
For context, guys, bunudugo yung ilong ko kanina, tapos inano ko siya. In-interrogate. Kasi may pina-realize sa akin si Bernard yesterday when we were talking. Kasi diba, may nakita nga kami influencer, diba, sa WhatsApp. Tapos sabi ko, they have it so easy, no? Kakain lang sila. Tapos may tripod sila in front of them while eating. Kasi yun yung content nila. They get money from that. So, sa isip ko, instead of working, well, masaya ako sa job ko. So, super thankful for my job. Pero gusto ko magka-business. Or kung di businessman, syempre, start somewhere. Kasi sabi ni Bernard, oversaturated na ang TikTok with people na short ang attention span. So, they only follow you kasi gusto nila yung funny moment na yun. Meanwhile, sa TikTok, sa YouTube, they subscribe to you because they actually like kung ano yung, do you agree?
Content.
They actually like kung ano yung kino-content mo. So, that's what I want to do. Wala ka bang dream na maging influencer? Or
No.
what do you want to do aside from become a pilot?
Have money without working.
Girl, paano nga? Kasi, well, impossible yun kung without working. Kasi kahit illegal gawain mo, may work pa rin. Wait, you mean gusto mo mag one time, big time?
If there's a will, there's a way.
Secret na kuha niya. What's one thing na i-change mo dito sa Lasal if you had the power to? Could be the people, could be culture, could be something physical. Yung sa food square. Last na siya, nothing. Ay,
Maano
nabibig
ka?
ko yun. Kumain kami ni Mami, di ba? Food ba to? Okay, dali to wrap up. What's one thing that you would change at the LSUD if you had the power to change anything?
Yung sira-sirang roof ng mga court.
Butas ang roof ng mga court.
Mm-mm.
Ang babaw mo naman, akala ko sabihin mo,
Kasi
the
there's nothing
hierarchy of the juniors versus, yun lang, bubong ng court. Saan? Be specific. Sa MTH?
MTHN High School.
No, MTH yung bubong nyo daw. Sobrang life-changing ng sagot mo.
May magte-training basang-basa. No.
May nagiging satellite na naman.
Wala!